Today we have a video from Strange Body Cam, and the title of the video is Drunk Woman Refuses to Exit Her Vehicle After Fleeing Police, Gets the Surprise of Her Life.
Is everything all right?
Yes.
Okay.
You were yelling at me. Okay.
Can you roll down the window, please?
No.
That's the wrong window. How familiar are you with numbers? Can you count from 1 to 100? You can step on the car.
A report of a reckless driver nearly hitting a cyclist led to one of the most bizarre traffic stops. Officers found a driver who was completely incoherent and refused to follow a single command. But the situation turned from strange to dangerous in an instant when the suspect suddenly rolled up her window on the officer and floored the gas.
We're going north on Main now. Get out. Stop the vehicle now. We're on Main Street right in front of Zach's. Don't move the vehicle. Turn the vehicle off. Turn the car off now. Turn your car off. Is everything all right?
Yes.
Okay.
You were yelling at me.
So the reason I stopped is because I saw you go up on the curb right by the high school. What's going on?
Funny things.
Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight?
What's been going on in my book and involved and
Okay, I'm sorry. So who?
in my book,
Your book?
sexual traffic. Yeah.
Sexual traffic? Is okay. So you're being trafficked?
My people.
Your 2 children are? Okay. What are their names?
This is beautiful because I don't know what their names would be to do.
Okay. So let's start. Okay. Where were you headed to? Because you were going westbound on Roosevelt.
Home because you have to lose your girl mother.
He left. Who's he?
My husband.
Your ex-husband?
I was going to a post.
Okay. Can I have your ID and insurance, please?
Are you familiar with any detectives?
Yeah, we have quite a few.
So who do you know?
We have quite a few detectives.
So
who are you looking for?
Know?
Who are you looking for?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, do you have a driver's license?
Not in this bag.
Okay.
That's who I am.
Lincoln, to copy a file on a female, please.
Okay.
Can you roll down the window, please?
No.
That's the wrong window. Do you have your insurance?
Ask him.
This is a weird interaction, man. This lady is. I don't know about you, but I can't even hear what she's saying. Like, I can't. Like, I'm hearing noise, but it's not computing in my brain of what she's actually saying. It's like, maybe something's just wrong with me. Maybe let me know. Am I nuts? Maybe I'm nuts. But I don't even know what she's talking about, man. At all. I really don't. Damn, she is just, she's out there, man. I ain't gonna lie. She out there. Whatever she taking, keep it far away from me, man.
That's who?
Ask him. My ex-husband.
Okay.
Yeah. So,
He's not here, so I need your insurance, please.
whatever you do, ask him.
Ma'am, I need your insurance.
What did you get?
All right. How familiar are you with the English language?
I'm very familiar.
Okay. What's your highest level of education?
Very.
Ma'am?
Very.
Your highest level of education is married?
Very.
Very what? Very high, very low?
It won't be like.
That's just okay. Awesome. All right, so can you do me a favor, please?
You got a bachelor's?
Would you be able to recite the alphabet? Do you know the alphabet from A to Z?
I'm not gonna do this right now. I have to go pee.
Okay. Can you recite the alphabet for me, please? Just a couple.
Why would I do that?
Okay.
I'm not there.
Can you do it from E to W? Start at E and at W. Okay, how familiar are you with numbers? Can you count from 1 to 100? What was that?
I don't want to exactly what you know.
Okay. So you're not going to count for me?
You said no.
Okay. All right, Linda. So you mentioned something about trafficking. What's going on?
You can look up case within Naperville.
In Naperville?
And Detective Elliott.
Detective Elliott from Naperville? Okay. Can you catch me up to speed on the case because I can't access Naperville's records?
If you would like me to.
Okay. Just give me a quick summary.
It's not a quick summary.
Okay.
It takes over a course of a year and a half. My daughter has been trafficked.
By whom?
Her father.
Your ex-husband.
Right.
Okay. Where's your daughter now?
With him.
With him? Okay. And you were headed back to?
My home with my mom.
Which is?
Go Park. So I got locked without a doubt.
Okay, I'll be honest. I mean, you sound pretty intoxicated. I can smell a strong odor of perfume, like you're trying to cover up some alcohol. How much have you had to drink tonight? Okay. How much have you had to drink tonight? You came back from where, I'm sorry? Crafts?
Craft brewing. There's a craft brewing.
Yeah. Okay. Is that what it was?
I don't know what he...
Crafts Brewing?
No. I don't know what...
Okay, where is Crafts?
Craft is like girls that put craft things together.
Oh, okay, like a sip and paint kind of deal? Okay, how much did you have to drink there?
Nothing. Like literally,
Well, now you're giving me two different answers.
No, I'm not. You're asking things.
Okay. So how much have you had to drink tonight? Okay, what have you had to drink tonight?
This lady was able to find a husband. Damn. You know, for an older, she, in my opinion, she doesn't look bad looking, right? I mean, but there's certain things about you that would draw people off in a way. For instance, the way you act when you drink, man. If this is how you act when you drink, stay far away from me, man. She can't even formulate sentences, man. This lady was able to get a man and drop down, will you marry me? Now it ended in divorce, you know what I'm saying? Said ex-husband, so it ended, but I don't know why. Okay. But man, this is insane. This is insane. Just because you can drink doesn't mean you should drink. Yes, to turn 21, you know what I mean, right? And then you can start drinking, right? Legally, right? Cool. She's well over 21. But damn, man, like, what's wrong with just drinking at the house? Because in her state of mind right now, she can easily hurt herself or worse, somebody else. She don't know nothing. Listen to her talk. She's spaced out. You can see it in the eyes. She's gone. Knock, knock. Nobody's home. This is nasty work. Nasty work.
Okay.
Oh, they love that phone, boy.
Linda, I'm gonna have to ask you to step out of the car, okay? I'm gonna run you through some field sobriety tests, okay? Linda, I'm gonna have to ask you to step out of the car, please.
That would be a nice ass favor.
What is that?
Can you step out of the car, please?
No, I'm not doing that.
She got a nasty attitude too, man. I could tell she got a nasty attitude. There's really a demon side of her, man. I'm telling you. Like the snarky, like, no, I'm not going, like, it makes me grind my teeth, man.
Linda, look, I got some concerns, okay?
Okay.
You're driving, you're hitting curbs. You're supposedly going to Villa Park, but you're going west when Villa Park's east.
No, my mom makes it too.
In Villa Park?
Yes.
Okay. Well, Villa Park's that way.
No, Villa Park is that way. You want to follow?
Yeah. No, I'm not. You're not driving until I can run you through the field sobriety test and see that you're okay. If you're okay, listen. I'll tell you what. You get out. Your fields look good. You get back in your car. You drive home, and you're good to go. Okay. I'm sorry. It's just there's traffic, so I want to make sure you hear me. I'm sorry. Okay. I don't mean to yell. It's just I can hear you. I can hear the traffic behind me, so I can't really hear you. But if you get out of the car and do your fields.
Hey, get her out of that car right now.
All right. You gotta step out of the car. You gotta step out of the car.
We'll do it.
I'll do it. Lincoln 2, I'm in pursuit, northbound Maine, approaching Madison, 53 miles an hour. She's all over the road, just passing Madison. If I can get a unit at Grace in St. Charles.
Yeah, download the free Upside app now.
Lincoln 2, I'm going to try and make contact one more time. Be ready to take off.
She be driving her house.
Get out of the car.
Out of the car now.
Get out of the car. I'm going to rip you out of the fucking car.
Out of the car. Wake up. Huh? Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Out of the car. Out of the car. Out of the car.
I got cuffs. Yep.
Get her dumb ass together, man. Yeah, here we go. Yes, sir. What? You want to take off? Huh? Okay. Ripped her out the car. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, yeah.
22, we got one in cut.
So watch your phone.
2041.
There's one right here. I'm on 7-2. Put her on the opposite side. Hey, let me open it.
Yep.
I got it.
Right here. Oh my God. Open up the channel.
She's probably nuts, man.
Huh? You say sir? Oh, yeah, sure you want.
Yeah, she's got her dressed up though. No, hold on.
Yeah, step on out. We're going to search you real quick. Mind stepping outside? Nope. Okay.
Grab me.
All right. Stay inside then.
I said it.
She's gonna step outside. She's not going left once.
Oh my God. Okay, what is stay calm? Stay calm. Stay calm.
Jimenez.
Diana.
Jimenez.
Stay calm. You're so cool, by the way.
Oh, I just couldn't see you. My bad. Can you search it, please? You're good. I just couldn't see you.
Ah,
A big nose, yeah.
Hey,
Don't say sorry.
all right, cool. You did.
Do you have anything that's gonna poke, stab, or hurt?
No, I don't.
Okay, do me a favor. Spread your feet apart. Spread your feet apart. Spread your feet apart.
Yeah,
Stop moving. I have to search you at this point. Stop. Why are you moving? Oh my God.
Can we double lock this yet? The chair. Just check.
There you go. All right. Listen, stop moving. Don't stop moving.
Linda.
There you go.
Stop touching and stop reaching.
All right, good, Diana. Well, we established earlier that you understand English, so I'm going to read you something. I need
I
a
don't want to speak to you.
I don't care. I need a verbal yes or no.
Fuck you.
All right, I need a verbal yes or no.
Okay. No, no,
All right.
no.
Before I ask you
no,
any questions,
no,
it's my
no.
duty to advise you of your constitutional rights. You have the right to remain silent. You understand?
Yeah, but
Linda, you have the right to remain silent.
in the car.
oh my God. Exactly. Thank you.
Sit down.
Oh my God.
Have a seat.
Am I not having a fucking seat?
Sit down. You'll put a seatbelt on you. Close it. Break.
Wait a second.
Oh, who took my stop stick?
You for summer?
Hey, who took my stop stick? You did?
I did. I put it in your car.
Okay, thanks.
Then I could be able to replace mine.
Okay.
You guys good? Yeah, we should
Get
straighten
the-
out.
Just get a right away. Who's gonna back him up?
I got it. I'm here. I got
He's
it.
in a transport. We can stay. It doesn't matter.
Good to transport? What? Good to transport? Cool.
The high-speed pursuit finally ended when the driver was forced out of the vehicle at taser point. Her legal troubles only intensified in the courtroom, where a judge eventually revoked her pretrial release due to continued non-compliance. She is currently facing 12 active charges for her actions that night, including DUI, battery, fleeing or attempting to elude a peace officer, resisting or obstructing a peace officer, operating an uninsured motor vehicle, multiple traffic violations. Her next court appearance is scheduled for May 6, 2026.
Damn. Now, you would expect her to act like a fool, you know, being under the influence, but her continuous, you know, foolishness is causing her more problems. So she's nuts even when she's sober. Pretty much. Damn, this is, boy. People are freaking. You get in your car, you're driving, you know, you may be doing everything right, but there's some knucklehead out there that's plastered just like this person that you're out there sharing the road with. Just think about that, man. That's horrible to think about, man. She, like I said, knock knock, nobody's home. She don't even know. What? Talking about people being trafficked, this, that. She got all types of stories going on. And yet, someone dropped down on a knee and proposed to her. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.